How to change full name on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your full name on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile app, just like you can see here. First, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to manage and navigate to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the option named Edit Profile. Once you do that, this other page opens where you can edit your profile. To edit your name, make sure you tap on the option named Profile Name. You can then go ahead and make changes to your Cash App name. Finally, tap on the Update Changes option, and the changes you have made will be saved. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change full name on Cash App.